Being memorable has never been a problem at Tina Marie's boutique.
Oh, they can't believe it. It's just packed with all kinds of stuff, and they always say, we can't believe that there's a store like this in Algoma.
Algoma officials hope the whole city is memorable when they welcome Viking cruise ship passengers this summer. Tina Marie can promise one thing.
Well, number one, it's going to be friendly Algoma because we are all friendly here, and it's a family atmosphere.
Thursday afternoon, city leaders hosted a roundtable with local business owners to discuss the arrival of the cruise ship, what the passengers will be doing when they come to shore, and how to give them the best possible experience in Algoma. While city leaders said the economic impact of the extra visitors will likely be modest, they still want to show off the city to their guests.
That they want to come back and explore a little more. That they just touch the surface of what this place has to offer, what this location has to offer.
Lee Hosh owns a charter fishing business in Algoma. Although he says the visit from the cruise likely won't impact his business directly, he still attended the meeting and says he's excited for the cruise's arrival.
Would love everybody to see that Algoma is this friendly little town with a lot of friendly people. Put our best foot forward and show everybody, what Algoma has to offer.
In Algoma, Paul Stino, Local 5 News.